मिरामार चालू आशिल्ले एशिया कप ब्रिज सर्तीत यजमान भारत 5तले 4 सर्तींची सेमीफायनलीत पावलो। सेमीफायनली शेनवारा जातल्यो। खेळा संचालक व्हीएम प्रभुदेसायान एशिया कपाच्या आयोजनाची तुस्त केली। ब्रिज खेळाचो एशियन गेम्सात आस्पाव केल्ल्यान ह्या खेळाचे महत्व वाढला। शाळांनी हो खेळ पावोवंक सरकारी येवजण करतले म्हूण खेळा संचालक सांगता। तिसरे एशिया कपात भारताची पेजात कामगिरी चालूच आसा। शुक्रारा यजमानांचे मिक्स, सुपर मिक्स, सिनियर्स आनी दादल्यांच्या टीमींनी सेमीफायनलीत जागो बूक केलो। 5 गटांनी चलिल्ले सर्तीत बायला गटात मात यजमानांक अपेस आयले। इतल्या मजगतीं खेळा संचालक व्हीएम प्रभुदेसायान ब्रिज खेळाक खूब महत्व आसा आनी हातूंत भुरग्यांक मुखार काडपाचेर भर दिवपाक जाय अशें म्हळां।
I must say that younger generation people should play this sport to develop their mathematical ability, their analytical ability. The discussion that I have had with the international judges here, they say that in Indian conditions also this sport is made mandatory for people at IIT, various engineering and medical colleges. So much importance is attributed to this sport. We'll be very happy. I'll be now soon writing to some of the local schools to send the children for learn to bridge. There is a desk available here wherein the organizers would teach the intricacies of bridge to young children so that it can be developed at the school level. The Bridge Federation of India is also knocking on the door of HGFI for making entry into the school sports.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आनी तुळशीदास च्यारी। गोंयांतली पयली ऑल इंडिया ओपन नॅशनल तायकांडो सर्त सुरू जाली। श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी इंडोर स्टेडियमांतले ह्या सर्तीत 1,500 तायकांडो प्लेयरांनी वांटो घेतला। वास्कोचे तायकांडो अकादमीन सर्त दवरल्या, ती आयतार मेरेन चलतली।
It is a history in the state of Goa that any club has organized such a huge event, and I don't think also in other parts of the country, but maybe there are, but we are not aware that any club is organizing an open national championship. So we have organized here this event for under 8 years, under 12 years, under 14 years, under 17 years and above 17 years, male and female, both the female categories. Around 1,500 players have participated in this event, and championship is open to everyone.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।